Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to make cauliflower soup in the Instant Pot. Let's do it! I've already turned on my Instant Pot onto Saute, and I've added 4 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. We're waiting for that to heat up, and after that heats up, we're going to begin to saute our vegetables. The Instant Pot is reading hot, so now we can go ahead and begin to saute our vegetables. I've got 2 medium onions diced. I'm going to put those in. 2 stalks of celery. 3 chopped carrots. And 16 ounces of chopped cauliflower. Our vegetables have been sauteing for about 5 minutes. So now I'm going to add a teaspoon of thyme and a teaspoon of oregano. I'm going to add in 4 cloves of fresh minced garlic. While our veggies are sauteing a little bit more, I'm going to blend up 1 cup of cashews. These cashews have already soaked in warm water for half an hour. Now I'm going to blend them in my Vitamix with 1 cup of water until it's smooth. We're going to pour our cashew and water mixture into a cup and save it for a little later. I'm going to add 4 cups of organic vegetable broth. This is 32 ounces, so it is 4 cups. I'm going to add a little black pepper, a light sprinkle of Pink Himalayan salt. Turn your Instant Pot now on off and then back to pressure mode, or yours may say manual. And then we're gonna set it for 4 minutes. I'm gonna put the lid on. Make sure your sealing valve is unsealed, and we're gonna let it do its thing. It's counted down from 4 down to 0, and now it's been self-releasing for 2 minutes. So we are gonna do a quick release. The silver button has dropped down, so now I'm gonna move my little accessory that keeps the steam from blowing on my cabinets. We're going to take the lid off. Remember, open it away from your face. Stir this up. I'm going to add in my unsalted cashew blend with water. This is to bring protein to our soup. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Look at that yummy goodness. It's time for a taste test. That is so good. I think I'm going to add just a tad bit more black pepper. And another light sprinkle of salt. Now let's try another taste test. This is so good. Not only are you getting a lot of vegetables, but because of the unsalted cashews, you're getting your protein as well. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. If you want to know every time a new video is coming out, hit the bell. Thanks again for watching, my friend. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.